Guys, that is phase one of my OEM Plus build complete. Thank you guys so much for watching. What was a couple minutes for you guys was about a month and a half working on the weekends for me. I really appreciate you guys sticking around and watching the videos, and this is phase one done. Phase two will be side skirts and a wheel and tire swap, but for now that's how the car's gonna sit. We got the fitment on there pretty much how I want it. You know, we're not sunken into the wheel wells, and there is not a huge gap right there between our wheel and our fender. And this is pretty much how I prefer it. I don't like my car slammed absolutely to the ground where there's almost zero gap between my wheel and the fender. I like to be able to hit a bump and not worry about rubbing. But this is phase one done. Let me know if you guys have any questions. I'll have a list of parts down below in the description, and let me know what you guys think. See you guys.